Hey guys, welcome back. I got a call for no heat at one of the rentals that I managed today. So it's a Goodman, it's a furnace. There is a trouble code. Two blinks usually means a combustion issue or something like that. So one, the pump's working, that's fine. So we're going to take this off and see if we can figure it out. It's probably the flame sensor, so let me turn it off. Power's off. Just had this unit serviced last year, a new fan. So everything's good. Okay, so blue wire is the flame sensor. That's the one I'm going to take out and clean up and see if I can get it going. I'll get you set up. Hold on a sec. That's a little spot to get to. Sorry about that. As you can see, it is dirty. So I'm just going to clean this up. Put it back in. probably 90% of the issues we have with furnaces for service calls. No heat. Put your connector back on. Then we're going to run it again. And hopefully we see this thing come back to life. Go flip the switch. Okay, power's on. I know the thermostat's already calling for heat as well, so. Heating up. Should hear a click. It's the gas valve opening. There you go. It's lighting. It stays. If there was an issue still, there would be that wouldn't have stayed on that long. So I'm just going to put this back together quick, and we'll run it again. Check for codes. There you go. We'll turn it back on. Check for codes, make sure it starts up. We'll check the thermostat. I'll also change the furnace filters while I'm here. No codes. Just wait for it to start up. So So it's staying on, everything looks good. I'm just going to check upstairs, check the thermostat, it's set properly, and it's good to go. Get it. There's a thermostat there, so heat's on, fans on auto. It's set to 71. I've watched it jump up 2 degrees since I've been standing here. So that one's done. All good. On to the next.